Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, and today we're going to do a update on linear finance. Guys, this is how to stake and play around with the exchange a bit. I'm just going to play around with a bit, the website of it, so you guys can get an understanding of it. I've been using it for a couple weeks now. I've been staking. Gives really good rewards. But let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go ahead and explain it. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, this is Drake on Digital. If you have not already liked and subscribed, go ahead and smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And if you guys want to support the channel, there's also a link in the description for Patreon, and there's a couple of affiliate links if you guys want to support it. If not, if you want to consume the content, go for it. That's fine too. That's why I make it. So we're going to go on the exchange. There's different options. You have the builder, exchange, swap, dashboard, and we'll go ahead and show you the swap just so you guys can see this right now. But basically all your, let's see, gotta load. Okay, cool. All right, this is our pledge ratio and whatnot. So you go to the swap section. This is how you can swap different tokens to the different exchanges. So or not exchanges, different chains. So if you haven't already brought it onto Binance Smart Chain, this is how you can do it. I'm on Binance Smart Chain right now, so I don't need to go back to the Ethereum, and then I'm not going to pay the gas fee. I've already done this so many different times. If you haven't seen my video on how to get on Binance Smart Chain, watch my other Lena video. It'll show you how to do it. Basically, you just say you want to bring LUSD or Lena onto the Ethereum mainnet and put the amounts you want to use. So, for example, if I want to take over the rest of my Lena, I can send it from Binance Smart Chain to Ethereum. Not going to go over that, but it's very simple and easy to do. You just hit swap now, checks your BNB balance, you got enough, and then you make the transaction, you confirm it and send it, and then you'll have to confirm on Ethereum. Not going to do it like I explained. So exit that out. Now we're going to go to the transfer section. So now what is this? Well, this is how you can easily send from one wallet to another. It's just more so for UX, so a lot of people don't understand. On MetaMask, you can literally just click on this button, and there's a section right here where you can copy what your wallet address is, or not the wallet address. You don't want to copy that one because that's your wallet you're using, but that's where you can find the address if you're on MetaMask. Or if you're looking for another wallet, just copy that wallet address and send it there. Or you can just easily just type it in here. Super easy to do. This is the claim section. This is where you claim your rewards. I've been claiming for a couple weeks. And let's see, I have 1,200 Lena locked. So this was just from not staking, but basically getting a quote-unquote loan. Really easy to do. So do keep this in mind, guys. This is important right here. This pledge ratio, they used to not have a liquidation rate, but now the liquidation is at 200. So basically what that means is if the Lena price was just to tank, so right now I think it's like 15 cents a pop or 16 cents. If it went to about 3 or 4 cents, my pledge or my stake would be liquidated. And yes, that is a possibility, so you need to be aware of that. Sorry, not 15 cents, it's 14 cents right now. And if you ever want to increase it, because this has to be above 500 in order for you to make this claim. I don't have any rewards to claim, but basically when you make the claim, you'll be able to claim some LUSD and staking rewards. The LUSD is from trading and so on. Oh, also here's a referral link if you guys want to use it. Guys, come on. This is how you can support the channel as well if you guys want. You can use the referral code right here, PFC6 whatever. You just go to the referral code down below when you're on your account and you submit referral code. I can't submit my own, so anyways. So that's how you can claim your rewards. You have to be above 500 to do this. I'm above 500. I don't like gambling. I don't like over levering because there's a lot of risk to that. You're already in crypto, so it's very risky. That's why I don't get it close to 200. You do get more rewards the closer you get it to here, but guys, it's very risky. What if there's a Black Swan event and it just drops by 60-70%? Well, you have a very close way of being liquidated. So here it is the target ratio is the minimum. Yeah, so interesting. So this is where you burn. So this is important. So if you ever want to change your P ratio, this is what you need to do. So you have two options. You can either stake more Lena or you can burn US or LUSD. So this is how it works. So here's my P ratio. It's 567. Okay, that's great. Let me go ahead and add more Lena. As you guys can see, it brings it down. because I'm adding more Lena and I'm getting more of a loan. Now, if I want to bring it up, what I'd need to do is I'd go ahead and burn some LUSD. So I'd say, okay, I'm going to burn, let's see, 900 LUSD. And, well, I'm sorry, that's going to make me stake. If I want to get a loan on that, it's going to make me stake. So what I have to do is actually have to go down here. So it's a little goofy how their website works, but let me refresh the page so you guys can see my current ratios, and we'll restart it. Boom, 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 567. So now what I need to do is I want to do 600. So now it automatically says, okay, you need to burn 61 LUSD. And then you hit burn now. I'll just show you. I'm not going to confirm the transaction because I'm not trying to burn anything right now. I think 567 is somewhat safe for me right now. And it'll show you the gas fee and you just accept it. I'm not going to accept it like I explained. And let's exit this out, go back to where we were. And that's how you can change that. So you can also just stake more Lena. So I can say, and we already explained this earlier, I'm going to stake 835 Lena. Great. The reason why it's increasing that is because it's going to be giving me some more LUSD. Because when you automatically upload it, or not upload, but stake the Lena, or put it in the bond, it's automatically going to try to get you at a 500 target ratio. And that's when you're first starting it that you can do the 500 ratio. And you can't do anything about that. The only way you can do that is when you stake it and you get the Lena you earn, you automatically come back here, make another transaction, and say, hey, I want 700. Or, hey, I want to be super safe. I don't want to do 900. It'll automatically burn the tokens, and you can see the totals you have over here. So right now I have 973 LUSD. So that isn't really all my LUSD I have. I currently have 1,142 LUSD in debt right now. So do keep that in mind, that that is not currently what you have. And this debt will fluctuate as the prices fluctuate. So if it goes way above or it goes way below, then it's kind of like, oh, well, all right. When I say way above, way below, we're talking about the prices of like on the exchange. So on Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Because let me go to this so you guys can see it. So here's the exchange. Then when you launch this exchange, this is where you can spend your LUSD. So the LUSD, currently, if you aren't purchasing any of these and you're just holding the token, well, you are going to be exposed to, well, if the tokens go up, there's going to be more debt on there. So technically, when traders win money, you lose money. Oh, well, you take on more debt. However, when the traders lose money, you gain money. So it's kind of like it's an ongoing ratio. It's kind of odd to think of it like that, but if you want to hedge your bets, then you would have to invest in what the current ratios are. So this is how you can get your stake back. So I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to go ahead and burn 973.64 LUSD, and then it'll unstake my Lena. It is a little bit of an odd way to think about it, but your debt increases when traders are making money. So when traders are losing money, do keep that in mind, that your debt is going to increase. So if you ever want to price hedge against that's up to you what you want to do that. This is like the debt section right here. You can figure out what most traders are buying and using. You can go into the Discord chat and the different channels to do that. But you guys can see my debt's steadily increasing. So it's kind of, how can I price this? How can I make the right decision? It's a math problem. It's a fine line. But again, it's something you just have to play around with and see how to use it. I mean, you can always buy some more LUSD back in order to get more of the tokens to pay off your debt, etc. And I know you guys are asking the same question, or not asking the same question, but thinking in the back of your head, well, okay, so if my debt gets so much that I can't just unstake it, what do I do? Well, you can buy the LUSD on PancakeSwap or different exchanges. So if you look at this, you see my max LUSD. I'm sorry, I'm not staking it. This is the building, so I need to go to the burn section. So if I'm going to stake and I hit max, my max burn, and it says 3,000 or 38,000, but yet what I have available is 42,000. You're like, okay, where'd the other 4,000 or 3,200 go? Well, or 3,030 or 3,800, not 3,200. Well, what you need to do is go on PancakeSwap and buy the additional LUSD and then burn that in there. Or you can just wait for your rewards to come when you claim it, and it'll have LUSD. You don't get a bunch of them. Just depends on how much the trading is, because the trading fees and so on. But I hope that helped, guys, especially the community member we had in the Digi Squad channel. I hope that helped with what you guys need to do, how it works. This is just a quick follow-up video. Another quick note I didn't mention, these rewards, if you don't claim them within 14 days, they go away. So you need to check these rewards, or check the claim button like every 7 days or so. I guess I can go over the exchange a little more too. But basically all you do is you connect your wallet and you select any of the tokens you want to do. And you just basically say, hey, I want to buy this token, and you can swap it. So it's kind of grayed out right now because my wallet's not connected. But you guys can see, like, here's your buying power. It's hard to see it. Buying power. And then you have market price, and then it just tells you how much it is, and then it'll show up just like a typical exchange. And if you ever need to buy more LUSD, there's a button you can click right there, and this is your swapping. This is where you can buy the LUSD, come back, the builder, and this is where you'll have the extra tokens to pay off. Hope that helps, guys, and we're going to leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 27, I think we're going to be in verse 2. Yeah. Let someone else praise you and not your own mouth, an outsider and not your own lips. This is important, guys, because we need to be humble or we will quickly be humbled. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Guys, I need you guys to do a couple things. Participate in the quadruple threat. First, set up a Celsius account. Here's a referral link. You guys can use it. Write it down. Type it down. Or you guys can use the link in the description below. Set up a Celsius account. Good for savings. Good for earnings. Don't bet the house on it though. But anyways, you guys can get a free bonus on this. Alright, how do I get this free bonus? Well, guys, enter in this link. You guys will get $30. Then deposit $200 in any cryptocurrency. Enter in new 40. Like NEW 40 promo code. You guys can use both, and you'll get a total of $70. Guys, that's step 1 of the triple threat. Alright, Drake, I did step 1. What's step 2? Alright, guys, this is where you can get your small altcoin gems and little game changers. You guys can go to crypto.com. You can set up an account. Here's a link in the description below, or you guys can just type in this code right here on the screen. Deposit some funds in there. You get $25 in bonus crypto. You guys can use that to buy your altcoin gems and have some fun. Step 2 of the triple threat, or I'm sorry, quadruple threat. And the third one, this one is a fun one, Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up. And yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order. Super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks. Step 4, open up a BlockFi account. Here's a link you guys can use. The reference code is 024FFE02. All the links are in the description below. Open up a BlockFi, just deposit some funds, and you'll get $30 in BTC. And you can also get that crypto cashback rewards card. Don't forget about that. Game changer, 1.5%. And the first few months, you get a bunch of extra percent. Check it out. This is the funnest one though. Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like $100 in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack, 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. download a Lolli account and just set it up. And of course, guys, if you guys are a pro, there's a link in the description so you guys can sign up with KuCoin and Binance US to get some trading fee discounts. Thanks.